Hi, my name is Erica Washer, and I'm the founder. My company is going to be called Rain City Slickers, and my idea it involves putting rain gear out there that has art on it, putting art on umbrellas. Living in Seattle, Washington, or any area like Seattle, we're always in the rain, and people are have umbrellas and red, green, blue, but they're boring. And so I want to put some artwork, give artists in our community a new medium to work with. Really, um, my idea is all about art and functionality as well. Um, look for more.